Hi, Nick here with MedTech World. I've got Steve Towe. We're with Leo Cancer Care, is that correct?
That's correct, Nick. Great to meet you.
Lovely. So you do all with medical devices, you assist companies who have medical devices, accelerate them. Tell me more.
Yeah, so I'm the CEO and co-founder of Leo. We're a company that's developing radiation therapy devices. So we design them, we manufacture them, install them for both proton therapy and conventional radiotherapy.
Brilliant. And in terms of your market is UK or?
Really global. So we've got an office in the US, so we service the US market. Stanford's one of our customers there. All across Europe, focusing at the moment particularly on France, Italy, Switzerland. But then we've also got a lot going on in places like Japan and South Korea, where proton therapy in particular is a really big deal.
Great. And proton therapy, is it relatively new? Tell me more.
It's been around for a long time. It's had a lot of interest in countries like Japan. It's a more advanced, more targeted form of radiation therapy. So they're kind of the third pillar in cancer care after surgery and chemotherapy. It's been around for a while. The problem is it's always made clinical sense and it's never made financial sense. So we're a company that brings the financial sense to proton therapy.
Brilliant. And how did you do that?
So all proton therapy, all radiotherapy devices outside of Leo Cancer Care operate with a patient lay down on a table and a machine that rotates around the patient. What we've done is we treat patients upright because we've seen that it reduces organ motion, believe that it brings better medicine. And we also don't rotate the radiation beam around the patient because the beam can weigh 600 tons and the patient weighs 100 kilos. And we just think it makes a little bit more sense to rotate the lighter object. And we save tens of millions of dollars per machine with this approach compared to conventional.
And what's for the future for you guys?
So we are 510K pending on our device now, ramping up then through further commercial operation in Europe, and then we're targeting markets further afield like South Korea and Japan. That's the big push for us.
Brilliant. And as the likes of this event here, is it of benefit to you in that way in terms of expanding globally? Is that a help?
It's been fantastic. Yeah, fantastic to meet so many people from so many different backgrounds that approach the same problems. We're all developing medical technologies. We're all focusing on running our businesses and finding investors, those kind of challenges that everybody has. But people approach it in a very different way. So it's good to mix with like-minded people that are in the same space and tackling the same problems.
Great. And you personally, what do you hope happens in the next few years, say the next 5-year timeline? Where will Leo Cancer Care be? Where will you be?
So our goal is to bring high quality cancer care to more patients. So in the next few years, we hope to see that come to fruition. We hope to see our technology rolled out across the US, Europe, and Asia. And in the end, the most important thing, that we change cancer patients' lives.
Cool. Let's hope it happens for them. Thanks very much, Stephen Towe. Thanks for being at MedTech World.